What if I told you that the sandwich you ate today will travel through a tube nearly 9 meters long, be attacked by powerful acids, broken down by specialized enzymes, and transformed into energy that keeps you alive? Every bite you take begins an incredible journey inside your body, a journey most people never think about. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what happens to food, from the moment it enters your mouth until the last nutrients are absorbed and the waste leaves your body. Stay with me because some of the facts you'll learn today are truly amazing. Let us dive into the fascinating world of the human digestive system. The digestive system. The digestive system is a group of organs that work together to break down food into nutrients that the body can absorb and use. Without digestion, your body couldn't obtain energy, vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Think of the digestive system as a sophisticated food processing factory. The food you eat contains nutrients, but most of these nutrients are too large for your cells to use directly. The digestive system breaks them into smaller molecules that can enter the bloodstream and nourish every cell in your body. Major functions include ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. Let us follow a piece of food through this incredible system. The mouth, where digestion begins. Many people think digestion starts in the stomach. Actually, digestion begins in your mouth. Teeth. Humans have 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Each has a specific job. Incisors cut food, canines tear food, premolars and molars crush and grind food into smaller pieces. This process is called mechanical digestion. Saliva. Your salivary glands produce approximately 1 to 1.5 liters of saliva every day. Saliva contains water, mucus, and enzymes. One important enzyme is amylase. Amylase starts breaking down starch into simple sugar. This experiment: place a cracker in your mouth and chew for a minute. You will notice it begins tasting sweet. That is amylase converting starch into sugar. Tongue. The tongue helps mix food with saliva, forms food into a ball called a bolus, and pushes food toward the throat for swallowing. Now, the food is ready for the next stage: the esophagus. After swallowing, food enters the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. Food does not simply fall down due to gravity. Instead, the esophagus uses muscular contractions called peristalsis. Peristalsis consists of wave-like muscle movements that push food downward. Even if you were upside down, food could still reach your stomach because of peristalsis. At the end of the esophagus is a muscular valve called the lower esophageal sphincter. This valve opens to allow food into the stomach and closes afterward. When this valve doesn't work properly, stomach acid can flow upward. This causes acid reflux or heartburn. The stomach. The stomach is one of the most fascinating organs in the digestive system. It acts like a mixing chamber. When food enters the stomach, stores food, churns food, and begins chemical digestion. Gastric juice. The stomach produces gastric juice containing hydrochloric acid, enzymes, and mucus. Hydrochloric acid is extremely strong. Its pH ranges between 1 and 3. That is acidic enough to dissolve many substances. Doesn't the stomach digest itself? The stomach protects itself by producing a thick mucus lining. This coating prevents acid from damaging stomach tissue. Protein digestion. The enzyme pepsin begins breaking proteins into smaller peptides. Examples include proteins from meat, eggs, beans, and fish. The stomach mixes food into a thick liquid called chyme. After several hours, chyme moves into the small intestine. Small intestine is the most important organ for digestion and absorption. Despite its name, it is about 6 meters long. It has 3 sections. Duodenum. The first section here. Digestive juices from the pancreas and liver enter. Jejunum. Most nutrient absorption occurs here, and ileum completes absorption before waste moves onward. The pancreas releases enzymes that digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These enzymes help complete digestion. The liver produces bile, helps break large fat droplets into smaller droplets. This process is called emulsification. Gallbladder stores bile until it is needed. When fatty food enters the small intestine, bile is released. Nutrient absorption. The inner wall contains millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi. Increase surface area dramatically. Each villus contains blood vessels that absorb nutrients. These nutrients then enter the bloodstream and travel throughout the body. This is where your body receives glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Without villi, nutrient absorption would be extremely inefficient. Liver, the body's chemical factory. The liver is one of the largest organs in the body. It performs over 500 functions. Important digestive roles include producing bile, processing absorbed nutrients, storing glycogen, and detoxifying harmful substances after nutrients are absorbed from the small intestine. They pass through the liver. The liver decides what to store, what to release, and what to convert. It acts as the body's quality control center. The large intestine, after nutrients is absorbed, remaining material enters the large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters long. Its main function is water absorption. As waste moves through, water is removed. Salts are absorbed and feces form. Gut bacteria. Trillions of beneficial bacteria live here. These bacteria help digest certain foods, produce vitamins, and support immunity. Scientists often call these microorganisms the gut microbiome. A healthy microbiome contributes significantly to overall health. Rectum and anus. The final stage of digestion occurs in the rectum and anus. The rectum stores feces until elimination. When full, nerve signals inform the brain that it's time for a bowel movement. The anus controls the release of waste from the body. This completes the digestive journey. Amazing facts about digestion. Here are some incredible digestive facts. Fact 1. Your digestive tract is approximately 9 meters long. Fact 2. Your stomach produces new protective mucus constantly. Fact 3. The small intestine has a huge surface area due to villi. Fact 4. Trillion of bacteria live in your digestive system. Fact 5. Food typically takes 24 to 72 hours to complete its journey through the digestive tract. Fact 6. The liver can regenerate itself after damage. Fact 7. You produce more than a liter of saliva daily. Amazing, isn't it? How to keep your digestive system healthy. To maintain digestive health, eat fiber-rich foods. Examples: fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Drink plenty of water. Water supports digestion and prevents constipation. Exercise regularly. Physical activity stimulates digestive movement. Eat slowly. Proper chewing improves digestion. Limit processed foods. Highly processed foods may negatively affect gut health. Get enough sleep. Sleep influences digestive function and gut bacteria balance. Manage stress. Stress can affect digestion and cause discomfort. Healthy habits lead to a healthier digestive system. Today, we have followed food through its entire journey: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, liver, pancreas, large intestine, and rectum and anus. The digestive system is one of the most remarkable systems in the human body. Every meal triggers a coordinated process involving multiple organs, enzymes, muscles, and trillions of microorganisms working together to keep you alive and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating biology lessons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.